Hello friends, and today I will tell you how to make a simple device out of a plastic bottle that, by installing it in your garden, will make your life easier and save you time. It is advisable to take a 2-liter bottle, you can take more. This is the minimum size. You will also need a piece of foam approximately 10 cm by 3 cm in size. To begin with, we tighten the cork and cut off the back. Then unscrew the cork, take the foam rubber and screw it into the neck of the bottle. That's actually all. Now we go and install it in our garden. What this thing is for? Maybe someone has already guessed. And it is needed for uniform drip watering of the beds. We pour water into a bottle and see how slow watering is going. If you dig it into the soil, as I will do now, then your beds will be watered slowly and correctly, and this hole will never be clogged with soil or some kind of garbage. Now in the place where you plan to plant your seedlings, or sow seeds of garden crops, we are installing this watering bottle. We dig a hole no more than 5 cm deep. This will be enough for the stability of the bottle, and proceed with its soil. And we plant seedlings nearby, or sow seeds all at your discretion. The distance from the bottle to the planted seedlings should be no more than 5 cm. Because for such a radius from the bottle, watering may not wet the soil. The advantages of watering with such a device. First of all, watering is carried out slowly and the watering itself comes from inside the soil, and not from above as we water from a watering can, which means that the soil will not be compacted. And therefore there will be good oxygen access to the root system. And if you still mulch it all, then the moisture will stay here for a long time. Another advantage is that in the first place the zone of occurrence of the root system begins to get wet. This means that the roots will tend to go deeper because there will be much more water there, and there will be no surface roots that dry out quickly in extreme heat, and this can be seen from the bushes of your garden crops. Their leaves curl, and they begin to wither. That's all I have for today. If the information was useful, be sure to like it. Also, do not forget to subscribe to the channel so as not to miss the release of new videos. I wish you a good day. See you in the new videos.